Hi, I have a box. You know what's in it. Essential oils. Let's get excited. Okay, so this is my March order of oils that you are seeing in the month of April. Let's talk about why. Okay, so I'm a member of Young Living and I'm on the Essential Rewards program, Essential Rewards program. And so with that, I place an order every month. And that's why I show you guys what I got in my box because I get oils every month. Yay. Um, and I have my order set up at the end of the month. So right now it's set up to where I'll get 1 month of oils in the next month. So I got March's order in April, and I'll get April's order in May, if that makes sense. Okay, anyway, so I made a list here of what I got and some little tidbits of information that I do want to give you, and I don't want to leave anything out. Of course, I'm not telling everything when I do this. It's just, you know, some random facts. So accept it. All right. So let's go in the box. All right, that. And you get a list of what all you ordered and a newsletter that I sometimes read. All right, so I ordered 4 oils this month and last month. And let me just go ahead and tell you what they are. Lemon, Purification, Lemongrass, toss that. Man, I was hoping they sent me a gift, but they didn't. It's cool. And Peace&Calming. Peace&Calming got its own little baggie. I wonder why. All right. That smells good. I can already smell it. Okay. So anyway, let's talk about it. All right. So I ordered lemon because I like the way it smells. Like to put it in my water. Lemongrass, I'm addicted to the way it smells. I just love it. Purification, one of my favorite scents of essential oils of all time. When I first became a member of Young Living, this oil came in my kit. And I smelled it and I was like, I'm in love. I need that. So this is my first time ordering it since I've used it all from my kit, and I used it pretty quick. And Peace&Calming. But before I talk about Peace&Calming, I'm going to start with my list or whatever so that I don't get off track. So, lemon essential oil. So, you know what? Actually, let me go on my book. All right. So, air freshener. Have you noticed that cleaning products often are scented lemon? I didn't either. So how you can use this as an air freshener, you can put 6 drops in some water in like a spray bottle along with 6 drops of Purification and use as an air freshener in the bathroom. You can use 1 to 2 drops to remove gum, oil, grease stains, crayon for your kids that like to write on the wall. You can use it to keep fruit fresh. And so I eat a lot of fruit. I'm going to read this word for word because I want everybody to be eating fruit and vegetables all the time. So I'm going to read this, so bear with me. So fill a bowl with cool water. Add 2 to 3 drops of lemon. Soak the clean fruit into the water and stir. Be sure all surfaces of the fruit are in contact with the lemon. Drain, rinse dry, and place in a bowl. You could use this to freshen countertops. Add 2 to 3 drops to water and spray the counters to spruce them up. Freshen dishcloths, man. Yes. So what it says, you can, well, before dishcloths start to sour, soak them overnight in a bowl with 5 drops of lemon. Freshen hands after using the restroom. Brighten and freshen the house. You can add 1 to 2 drops to cotton balls and place them in the heating and cooling vents. So quite a lot of uses for lemon essential oil. Man, first of all, it just smells amazing. So I actually like to diffuse it, and I like to put it in my water. So those are my 2 main uses for it. But as you can see, I just gave you a few things that you can use it for as well. Besides that, also, you can order lemon or lemon vitality. That way you can use it as a dietary supplement. And it says here you can use it for lemonade, smoothies, lemon glaze, flavored cream cheese, a hot tonic, fish freshening, hollandaise, or salad dressing. So all of that, you can use lemon essential oil for just this bottle. Glad I picked that up. And you know what? I'm going to show you what the Vitality oil looks like in comparison to the 15 milliliter bottle. Hold. I'm back. Okay. So, lemon in the regular 15 milliliter bottle, and then you have lemon Vitality. So, dietary one, the white wrapping, regular bottle, and you know. Okay. So, next. No. Purification. So, I'm going to list off the ingredients of Purification to you really quickly. So, it's a blend. So that means it's not just one essential oil like lemon would be, or lemongrass, or oregano, or something like that. It has, let me see, 6 different oils in it. Citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, melaleuca, lavender, and myrtle. I have rosemary already. I have lemongrass already, which are 2 ingredients in Purification. But I like this, so I need this regardless of the ingredients, you know, or the other oils that's in it that I have. I want this one. So anyway, this one can be used as an air freshener as well. Going back to the book. You can use it to freshen vents. It says fresh travel. While traveling, inhale during flights to give yourself a boost in recirculated air. Sneaker odors, you can put a couple of drops onto cotton balls and place in the shoes to combat odors. Humidifier, place a drop on each end of a cotton swab and place on the top of your cold water humidifier to brighten and freshen the air. Let's see. Pet earwax. Combine with peppermint and dilute with V6 vegetable oil. Add to a cotton swab and rub just inside the ear to eliminate earwax and odor. For those of you that have pets, I don't have any. What else? Pest-free odors. No, I lie. Pest-free outdoors. Spritz several drops mixed with water to enjoy the outdoors annoyance-free. What I use Purification for? My laundry, okay? I will take this to the washing machine and put me about 5 drops in it. Amazing. I like this to diffuse too, and I will, but I do like it for the laundry. And look how tiny. I need Purification in like this. It's so amazing. Like y'all don't have an idea. I'm addicted to that. All right. Lemongrass. Let's go over some lemongrass benefits. All right, so you can add it to shampoos, conditioners, lotions. It's a good antiseptic, and it has astringent properties, so it also could be used as a toner. Natural bug repellent. You can use it for stress and anxiety, fights flus and colds, and reduces inflammation. And this is not everything, of course. This is just some stuff I got while I was researching. And since I'm finding out that lemongrass can be used for skincare, I bought an aloe vera plant from Sprouts, and I am going to take the aloe vera out, you know, get the gel from the inside, mix a little bit of lemongrass with it, and just kind of make me a little face mask to leave on for about 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. Man, first, I love the scent of this, but I'm gonna be using it for my hair and my skin. Oh yeah. All right, so Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming has a lot of ingredients. Bear with me while I tell you all of them. Tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, German chamomile, vetiver, cistus, bergamot, cassia, divana, northern lights, black spruce. That's the last one. So Peace and Calming has some of my favorite scents. Bergamot is one of my favorite scents, and patchouli as well. I do love orange and tangerine, but patchouli and bergamot for sure. And because I have never smelled this one before, I'm going to smell it right now. See what it smells like. I'm so excited. It has a very relaxing scent, not gonna lie. Yeah, it is very relaxing. And it actually smells really calm, if that makes sense. Like, I'm saying that because certain oils do make you feel a certain way. That's why you diffuse them or you use them when you're in stressful situations. Like frankincense, for example, makes me feel real comforted. Like, I'm just like, that's how I feel when I smell frankincense. So this smells like, just like, that's what it smells like. And so I ordered that. I've been looking at it for a while on the website, but I ordered it because I am starting to do a lot of meditation. And I'm reading about meditation more, and I feel like when I'm meditating, I can't really relax. I have a really overactive mind. It's like all over the place. Even when I'm trying to sleep, I can't sleep at night. I'm a night owl. I'm up to like midnight or later. But I use grounding. I use Palo Santo, sacred frankincense, and this is another one that I'm going to use while I'm meditating. And maybe I'll make a video about oils I use for meditation. But that's why I got that. I just really want to feel calm and relaxed while I'm trying to get into this relaxed state for meditation. And before I end this video, I want to talk about this necklace that I'm wearing. It was a gift, and I wanted it because it's an essential oil necklace that I can put oils. It has a pad in it, and I can put a few drops of oil on the pad and wear it, and it's right here, right over my heart chakra, you know, close to my throat chakra, and close to my nose. So it's Wonder Woman because I love Marvel and DC comics, because I'm cool like that. So I thought this was so dope. I needed to have it when I saw it. I got it off well, somebody got it for me off Etsy. So whoever the seller is, thank you so much. So what happens, it opens up. There's a little felt pad inside. I actually had sacred frankincense on this the other day, but just to show you how that works. 1, 2, 3. All right, and hold it. Thank you so much. So I just put 3 drops and open this guy back up. I have no nails. Okay. Really? All right. Close it. And then I'll put it back on. So I like this because I like to have, you know, whatever I feel like I need that day. You know, I have motivation essential oil. I have Like I said, the grounding, the Palo Santo, the sacred frankincense, the patchouli, the bergamot. What else? I don't know, I have a lot. So whatever I feel like I need that day. Oh, energy as well. If before I leave my house, I can take a few drops, put it in here on a different felt pad, and just go about my day, and I'll smell it when I'm working. And I don't know, even the next day, I'll still smell the oil on it or whatever. So this is like, man, I don't know. You know how you just have possessions that are really important to you. This is something that I'm gonna keep forever, until it looks crazy, you know. But right now, it's my favorite thing. So yeah, don't want to make this video 2 days long, but these are my oils. Recap: lemongrass, bay, lemon, my love, purification, my heart and soul, peace and calming, my new boo. So these are my babies for the month of March. Thanks for watching. Comment, ask me some questions if you want.